861 of 24.
Even the order of the magistrate.
Even the order of the magistrate thereafter, it says that.
Plus page 4.
Let them investigate. This has been inserted later in point of.
No,
Yes.
page 4.
Yes, prima facie, prima
Before,
facie it appears.
Before,
Prima facie it appears.
page 4, not
Let them,
insert.
let them look into it. Let them look.
Ask for the report from the ACGM.
Just give it back to us. I'll share it with my law.
My request is
and my
ask for
brother.
the report.
Yes,
from
my lord, and the
ACGM,
copy may be given to us, my lord. I do not know whether this copy we have or not.
The case diary.
That's okay, but
No,
give
no,
it,
no.
give one more copy. What objection can you have?
Report of the ACGM can come, Manoj. Before the ACGM, the application was made. No.
Lord, this page may be given to us. They may have given. Let another copy be
May
given.
I request your lordship, look at page 4 and ask for the report of the ACGM report.
No, I do not know what is shown. I must say.
Manoj, kindly see page, Manoj, I'm sorry, Manoj, I give. No, Manoj, it
No,
can't
the
be-
copy of
Ex-
print of this page may be given. my lord.
Just a minute.
That's the request.
Just give it back to me, please. Only you have a look at it.
We just look at it. Yeah. I understand. Yes, I know. Now, Manoj, your lordship suspicion is right. Now we read page 8.
From where? In this?
Yes, here. That's the inquest report. Give it back. This is the judicial magistrate, Manoj, who carry out the inquest, and see Manoj, UD case 861. Postmortem also mentioned it. So Manoj, these can't be inserted. And this is signed by the magistrate.
Here's this number.
They will have to look into.
Let them, Manoj. I also magistrate's Manoj order itself.
They'll have to look into.
My lord,
Yes,
I
please. Let me
would, my
show
lord,
that.
again request my learned friend to give me a copy of this. Even if it is given, let it be given afresh.
Give a copy after I have a soft copy.
We'll give you a
Please
copy.
have a
We have
printout
soft
and give it.
copy. So Manoj, magistrate's order, Manoj, kindly see the magistrate's order. That's Manoj also part of the,
CD.
CD.
Case diary.
I just give it to your lordship. Just give it to my lord. No, but I think.
The magistrate's order is not part of the case diary.
1 second, it's not, but I'm just saying.
Yes.
It's not so. Kindly have a look, Manoj, the magistrate's order itself. My lord, Justice Padiwala, please, Manoj, I'm sorry. This is the magistrate's order, and it mentions the case number.
Documents are not with the.
It's not given to us.
They
It's
are.
not a part of case diary. That's the simple answer.
Well, they are and they are not producing them. They are. And I'm sorry to say, Malas,
Justify.
because an impression is being created, Malas, that
we don't
contrary
have
to
it.
the record.
Ma'am,
He has a,
come to page 8 of your report. Roman 14, I'm sorry, Roman 17. Last 3 lines. Is this still pending?
Roman 17, top.
Yes.
para-
Last 3 lines?
sorry.
Is this still pending? Or the High Court has passed the necessary order and you have completed it?
Sir, it's still pending, sir.
Still pending.
It's to be conducted, yes, sir.
Oh.
He has the court class.
What time?
Taking permission of the court, my lord, because that needs permission.
Just check.
Yeah.
We are awaiting the permission of the court, my lord, because that needs permission.
And you should pursue it at the
We
earliest.
are doing.
There's something else we wish to point out, Malas. We're just checking something which will demonstrate, Malas.
Yes.
Yeah. Right, bring something else to your lordship's attention. Your lordships will allow me, Malas. May I just bring something else to your lordship's attention? That the seizure list at page 25 also has UD case 861. Postmortem has, seizure list has,
861.
page 25,
Case diary.
25 case diary. Inquest has everything, all documents have that.
Inquest, postmortem, seizure list.
Page 25 seizure list.
Case diary. PDF 157 of the case diary.
This is the date, sir. Yeah, This is at 8:30, your lordship notices, always before 11. So how can anybody, my lords, even contend? Yeah.
Inquest is at,
I'll substantiate that.
inquest is at 4:40.
And the inquest is at 4:40, my lords.
Also mentions.
And the original CD has also been given to them, my lords. It's a bit unfair to. And the original CD was handed over to the CBI in the High Court, my lords. As soon as the transfer order came, my lords. Yes, yes, yes. 1 o'clock after the postmortem.
Only for a second. Just to remove this confusion, Malab, how this time comes.
Same, okay.
Yeah, yeah, that's right. We've already shown documents before that. Well, the original CD will contain everything.
I think they have registered GDE. What is GDE?
General diary entry.
Procedure for the immediate case. Under
Take only a
I'm sorry,
minute,
my
my
lord.
lords, just to create this, my lord.
Seen the case diary, we formed we can, we can form a view on
Just,
what
my lord,
the movement of the police officers was, who went, what time the body was first noticed, what time the body is brought, what time the inquest takes place,
Correct.
post-mortem, and then finally the FIR at 11:30 in the night.
No, even this UD case has 11 to 30. That's what I want to
No,
show.
no, no, that's not correct.
See, the UD case. the
Can your
UD case,
lordships just see this?
577 is recorded at 10:10 in the morning.
Can your lordships just have a look at it?
Yes.
Can your lordships have a
And
look
they
at
have this information in the CD, they have this
Mr.
information.
Sibal, please allow me
What,
now.
Mr. Sibal?
Please allow me.
Allow me what? You should have shown the CD, given the CD.
Lord, I don't
The
wish to
original
fight,
should have
my
been
lord. I
given
am-
in court.
In fact, this also matches with the FIR.
Lord,
FIR
there is a
says,
confusion, my lord. Please allow me.
Received date 9th August 24, time 10:10 hours.
Lord, if your
PD
lordship
number
gives me 2 minutes, my lord.
Exactly.
Lord, I may be right, I may be wrong. Give me 2 minutes, my lord. Your lordships have, my lord, this 10-10. 10-10, my lord.
Yes, yes,
This is GDE called General Diary Entry
right, at the
Correct.
police station.
at the first floor. Yes, at the police station. Please, my lord, thereafter come to this, my lord. Lord, your lordship, I do not know the number of the compilation, but it is page 47 on the top.
Yes, 47 we got.
Correct?
This
my
is
lord?
the same.
Your lordship, please, Mr. Sibal,
Yes, continue.
there is
Mr.
always a courtesy to
Yes,
each
yes,
other.
sir.
Lord,
Exercise.
this is 576, 2330. Correct, my lord? Now read this, my lord. In reference to Tala PS General Diary Entry number 542 of date, return to PS with so and so, please ignore it and come to the next page. After return to PS under order of office something, an UD case has been registered with a Tala PS number so and so 861. So this UD case is registered, my lord. Earlier was GD entry. This is UD case at 2330 and at 2345 FIR is registered.
Well, see page 40, it just shows, Malad.
That's, my lord, how the chronology we have, my lord, presented.
Muddy the waters. It's all muddy the waters. That's what you're doing.
Lord,
Just see 42, just see 42,
42, my lord.
GD number 542, dated 10:10 a.m. Received information over the telephone from Agikor Medical College Hospital Police Outpost that a lady of PG trainee of so and so.
So and so was found lying in unconscious
exactly.
state at so and so medicine department of third floor of emergency building in so and so, according to informed sector 92 OC and under his order, leading PS with lady police. So this is, my lord, general diary entry.
What is that?
What is,
That is what DD is.
my lord, somebody has lost the
That's
life.
according to the
Don't at
rules.
least laugh.
One second. according to
exist
rules,
now.
Maharaj, that we follow,
A girl has
these
come
regulations we've
unkind
done in accordance.
in a most inhuman
That's
and
not-
undignified manner.
Maharaj, these are the rules and we have followed to the T, the rules of
Yes, I
the
will show that
of
what rules are.
unnatural death end.
My lord, the
The Solicitor General. First, the general diary entry is made. Thereafter, the police proceeds to the spot with the case diaries.
Correct.
Case, general diary is kept at the police station.
Which
Case
is
diary
regis-
is carried to the spot.
Yes.
Now, the relevant part would be
yes,
this part, which is a inquest report.
yes,
This shows that the information regarding unnatural death was received and registered as case number 861 on 9/8/2024 at 10:10 hours.
That's correct.
yes.
And this extract is the general diary which the police
Lord,
complete
we will
after
examine
the
this
day is
aspect
over.
and come back to you.
It carries various steps that have been carried out during the course of the day.
That's right.
So that
Lord,
is
and
what.
I can assure my learned friend, this is not an attempt to muddy the water, to remove the
You
mud
have
from the
already
water,
muddied.
because we are dealing with a delicate situation. Somebody's dignity is
Oh,
lost.
come on, we all know that. We are all, it's a tragic incident, it's barbaric, and we are on the same side.
Your side was
But let's
laughing.
not muddy
That's
the waters on.
really
investigation.
unfortunate.
The only one point which we also see is that the UD, I'll read out the relevant part. This is at page 74. Accordingly, PO has been cordoned under proper guard. Also, several witnesses were examined and their statements were recorded. Consulted CCTV footages in and around the vicinity of the PO. After postmortem and inquest, the dead body of the deceased has been handed over to her mother, so-and-so. After return to the police station, under order of officer in charge, so-and-so, and UD case has been registered by Tala PS UD case number 861, dated 9 August 2024. All concerned, including superiors, were informed. After return to the police station, the seized articles were kept in PS Malkhana by Malkhana number 52 in the presence of ASI and constable so-and-so. Now, and officer in charge was informed. So it appears that the initial report of an unnatural death was received and which was recorded in the GD at
Correct.
5 as
So
5:40.
not unnatural death,
Once.
unconscious body. The doctors are informing the police that there is an unconscious
Found
body.
lying in unconscious state. That is
Not
how.
a you don't have to be a doctor to
That is-
know that it's not
That
unconscious
is at-
body, it's a
that is
dead
at
body.
10:10 a.m.
Yes.
GD 542.
This is from the outpost, Maharaj.
Right.
This
The
information is
unnatural
from the
death,
outpost.
the unnatural death is
Received from
recorded
police's
by
outpost.
entry 861, after they return to the police station at night.
That
And-
is how we have
And
seen.
11:30 in the night, the FIR is registered. In the meantime, the body has been handed over to the mother for the purpose of.
And that too, the
Correct.
father insists for
And-
registration of the
Yes,
FIR.
absolutely.
The hospital does not register the FIR. Father has insisted and registered the FIR.
Maharaj, the father told us, you wait till I tell you, then
No,
only
no, I-
register.
No.
I will give a written complaint. That's what happened. At least tell us what's been happening in the investigation and trying to say that this happened at 11:45.
The family is here, Madam. The
State has.
Yes, appearing, my lord.
One clarification which we need.
Certainly, Maharaj.
If the report of the police indicates that after return to the police station, GD 861 was recorded. In the meantime, the dead body had been handed over to the mother for cremation. If this does not square up with the fact that the inquest refers to GD 861. Inquest takes place, I have the inquest of the judicial magistrate.
Right,
Judicial magistrate says I conducted the inquest at 4:20 PM on the 9th of August.
correct.
That inquest report refers to GD 861.
Yes,
Now, if the police say that the GD 861 was recorded on return to the police station just before, obviously before the FIR is recorded
Yeah,
at night, how is it that an inquest at 4:20 refers to 861?
Lord,
This is
kindly-
just recorded.
Lord, I do not know what, how
Sorry.
it will
This is
turn.
just
It
recording.
says
This is just
UD
recording.
1861,
just
not
an
GD.
expression, Maharaj, it's just recording.
It says UD
Ask
861.
the ACJM, Maharaj, ask
Not-
the ACJM. He was there. Ask the ACJM, Maharaj. Everything is on record. The memo says 861. Postmortem says 861. And Milord, the real thing is the investigation. Why are we moving away? What has happened in the investigation?
My lord, my lord, my friends may share the timelines with us.
Do you have the postmortem report? Yes, just pass it on.
I'm sorry, Milord.
Postmortem.
Postmortem, yeah.
Lord, the state says father,
1-3, Milord. Page
father
1-3.
did not permit registration of FIR. The father's counsel is
Page 1-3, Milord. Page 13
And he-
of the case diary.
So the state will wait for the father.
Page 13 of the case diary.
In this PM note, is there a reference of 861 somewhere?
Other top minutes,
Where?
first line minutes, reference.
Yes,
to the
yes,
PS.
okay.
Right on top.
Right on top. It's there, it's there. UD case number.
Appears then that at the time when the PMR was when the postmortem was conducted, UD 861 had already been there.
That's right, that's right. There's no doubt about it, Milord.
The inquest
Well,
number is also
people are
there.
using some language some expressions, but Bengali speaking people are using some expressions in English.
no, there is no Bengali.
But
in the
come on.
FIR.
The record will show,
So why does the IO then say that after I returned to the police station in the night, I recorded?
because he has to record what has happened all this while. That's the point.
PMR,
He is recording minutes of the
Exactly.
meeting, my lord.
But the
Which
investigation.
the point is, we are more concerned about the investigation, what has happened in the last
Exactly,
1
that's
week. At
what
least
is
tell the
leading
court that.
in the.
He's right. They were more concerned about the
Maybe inform the
investigation,
court.
which is emerging now.
Lordship, the PMR talks about 151 mg of semen. It is never in mg.
No, it is
It
not
is in
semen.
ml.
It is the
It is in.
So please, come on. This is the
Let's not-
problem that.
We are at the
let's
very
not-
incipient
let-
stage, but don't confuse this.
Yeah.
Don't use social media to make arguments in the court.
Social
I'm
media.
grateful, my lord, for that. I'm grateful.
We have specifically now
Yeah.
the PMR before us, and we know what that 151 refers to.
Yes.
Yes.
Let's not use, what we read on
What is
social
happening.
media and then make legal arguments on that basis. That's
Manoj,
what
I
I have
have,
to clarify.
Manoj, I have a
Is
very,
that-
God
of-
makes-
Manoj, 1 second. Now, Manoj, your lordships asked me that you will give me a chance, Manoj, after this is over. I have a very serious issue at hand, Manoj, and I want to hand over an affidavit to you. Just please give. And I'll hand over that affidavit also to the solicitor, but only to him. Manoj, just give it. Just go through this affidavit. Manoj.
They're only giving.
Only to him.
Yes, yes, I'll give it.
Well, just read through this, see what's going to happen. Para 5 onwards, page 2, Manoj. These are collateral events, Manoj. They are bound to happen.
This is again on social media, my lord, something on.
No, not
I-
social media. We've
with
got the
social-
original.
my lord, state filing an affidavit based on social media.
Just let the court please read it. Then para 8 is also important. Manoj.
Check.
Check 1, 2, 3, 4. Check.
Just reading it. Now, Mullah, this is.
There are
Hold on,
appearances
hold on.
both
Allow
sides,
me,
Malad.
allow
If
me.
I, let's not go into it.
1 second. Mullah, this is exceptionally serious because they've planned it for 27th. Now, Mullah, if any protest is to be done, they must tell us which route. They
No,
must
who
tell us
should
what.
tell us?
please,
You tell yourself.
Mullah,
I mean,
normal
police will have to
procedure
come to
must
know
be
about
followed,
it.
must be followed. And Mullah, what they do is they carry flags. Mullah, they take off the flag, it becomes a stick. And there's an SOP, there is a standard operating procedure which has to be followed, Mullah. Because what will happen, Mullah, as your lordship sees, Mullah, the whole purpose is now it's collateral events that are happening. It's unrelated to what Mullah, the real issue is. And we've got photographs, Mullah.
I
36
support
onwards,
Mr.
we have got
Sibal, no
photographs as to
vandalism
what
should be
really happened.
permitted by the
There's all
police.
this running away from the police. We have actually got photographs.
Say they're
This is all completely wrong. The status report
Doctors
we
are
have given.
saying, Malad,
So
we are
I
not
will want your lordships to go through that status report and pass an order that this can't be done, Malad, and there must be a standard operating procedure which has to be followed.
We'd like to see, we'll come back after lunch. We just want to see your status.
Yes, Malad.
We just
Obliged. I'm
My
deeply
lord,
obliged.
can
Lord,
rise
may I
right now.
just
Deeply obliged.
say,
Come back and see yours because we've
Lord-
examined CBI status.
Yes, now your
We
lordship
are
make that.
to examine.
Lord,
time.
may I just say to my friends, CISF is still not there. No, it's not there. I've got photographs of today morning. I have photographs.
Just take instructions. That's
Malad,
CISF
I
arrived at this
received an
time.
intimation in writing that they have gone, they have visited in along with the Kolkata police and to decide where to post whom. Lord, one thing is to be decided. Kolkata police says that the security should be in the hospital, but we feel that it should be more in the hostel because the
Mr. Sibal,
Yeah,
we
no
might just be
problems,
late
Malad.
by, we might be just late by 10 minutes or so.
No problem.
Look at
No.
15, so you all of you also
Deeply
know the
obliged.
traffic.
Deeply obliged.
Grateful, my lord.
So, solicitor, we come back at you.
right.
Original case diary, Malad, sir.